there was one lens I recommend for your Sony E-mount camera, then this is definitely it. What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and is fine. Let's begin right away with this video of the Tamron 70-180 F2.8 lens. It is truly an amazing lens, and as always, I'm gonna divide this video, or my review video, in 4 sections. The build quality, this is the first topic that I'm going to talk about, then the image quality, then the performance, and then the overall conclusion, recommendation. Are there any alternatives and stuff? Alright, so let's begin right away with the build quality. This is made from plastic, I believe, but you know, it really feels amazing. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's actually more matte black than the 2875. Weather sealed, it has its weather sealing gasket, moisture resistant, no leaking stuff, and special coating on the lens that will reduce some ghosting and flaring and stuff. A zoom ring is on the front end, which I really like because it doesn't jam my hands when I try to zoom in and zoom out. The focus ring, I didn't use it actually. Totally trusted the autofocus of this lens and the camera. There is a little locking mechanism, then your lens doesn't zoom in and out if you're traveling, if you put this in your bag or anything. So in regards to build quality and overall feel and weight, 810 grams, it really feels good. A little bit front end heavy as expected, but you know, I totally like it. So let's continue on with the image quality. Let's make things a little bit more interesting, shall we? The image quality of this lens, I think, is even better than the Tamron 2875 f2.8. This is really sharp. The images that are coming out of this lens are really sharp and really nice. I like the colors out of it. And overall, image quality wise, for both photo and video, it's like the Tamron 2875, but a little bit 10% better or so. So really sharp, really nice, really detailed. Don't have much to say, just showing a little bit of example images here. So yeah, image quality wise, really good. Let's go on, move on to the performance section. The performance of this lens. A lot of people are actually a little bit worried that there is no built-in stabilization. Even with my Sony a7 III, there is in-body stabilization built in the camera. This lens does not have any stabilization built in. So if you really got that jittery hands, the shaking hands, then this is not your lens. I have to admit that. Then you are better off with the Sony 70-200 f4 or f2.8 lens. Those lenses got extra built-in stabilization in the lenses themselves. So, but if you got steady hands just like me, then this is definitely something that performs really well. I have here some photos of a moving bird near the beach. So there is some like weird sunlight coming on, like warm sunlight, but also lots of wind, lots of movement, and I'm still able to capture the bird that is moving quite fast in the wind and sun and everything. So if you got steady hands, do you really need that built-in stabilization? No, but of course it's handy. And do I really miss it? Answer is no. Even with or without stabilization, the focusing, how it focuses, and the autofocus itself, you know, the autofocus motor is better than what you have in the Tamron 2875 and better than the 70-28. But then overall, the performance is really good. Very snappy, very fast. During the wedding day, I've used it on a wedding day. I was truly amazed with how fast it autofocused in all those different light conditions. Really a great performer. Alright, so I've talked about the build quality, the image quality, and the performance. And I don't have anything really bad to say about this lens. So, do I recommend this lens? And this is one of the lenses I would say I truly recommend it, and I highly recommend it if you ever wanted to have a telezoom lens for your Sony full frame camera. Then this is definitely worth buying. The 70-180 Tamron f2.8. What about the 70-200 f4 and f2.8 G Master? Are those two better? The only thing that they are better in is that they have that OSS, that optical steady shot from Sony, the built-in stabilization that's inside of the lens. That's the only thing that is better. Image quality wise, performance wise, it's quite the same. Price wise, this is like 50% cheaper or even more than the G Master lens. The f4 lens comes in around the same price. I have also reviewed that one. I really enjoyed that one as well. I don't miss the extra 20mm that you have on the Sony. I think that's about it. I don't have anything much to say now. So yeah, that's all. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more reviews. I got more things coming up, such as the Samyang aka Rokinon 75mm F1.8, but also the like a all-range zoom lens from Sony, the 24-105 f4 that is coming soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and see those reviews. Alright, that's all. Thank you again. Stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, good luck.